What are fiat currency? Fiat currency is legal tender with a value determined by the government. Fiat currency is not backed by products or goods, and its value is determined by the authoritative state of the state in the international arena. The first paper money appeared in China in the 11th century, and the fiat currency system also appeared in China in the 13th century. Later, fiat currency reached Europe. In other words, the historical path of the development of money has many centuries and continues to this day. We have witnessed the birth of a new instrument in the settlement system called cryptocurrency. The advent of cryptocurrencies has revolutionized the economic, banking, political and many other sectors. This is due to the fact that, compared to fiat money, which is a centralized instrument, cryptocurrencies are essentially a decentralized instrument. This is made possible by a distributed digital ledger called blockchain. Another difference between crypto assets and fiat money is that cryptocurrencies have a controlled and limited supply, in contrast to fiat money, which is printed by banks in as much as they want. If we consider cryptocurrencies as digital money, then there are several features. First, crypto assets have no physical counterpart. Secondly, cryptocurrencies have no borders, which makes them less restrictive for transactions around the world. In conclusion, I would like to say that cryptocurrencies do not have an owner or regulatory authority.